we ended last video in the 400EX waiting on these oil filters to show up. They finally showed up. We went to fire it up and it would try to start, but it wouldn't. And I'd be remiss if I didn't show you this video, because it was a simple fix that took us about 4 hours to find, and I hope that I can solve this problem for somebody else in the future. I have 3 cams laying here out of 400EXs. Right here on 2 of the cams, this one and this one, they're aftermarket cams. They don't have a decompression system built into them. This here has a decompression side on it. So what that does is it spins over. It slightly opens one of the valves to help it easily ease the starting, so it doesn't have such high compression at starting rate. So if we look inside the head, there's a small little baby hole right here. And I'm telling you, it's smaller than an ink pen spring that you guys have all tore apart and shot across the room at somebody at some point in your career. That has a small spring and a small roll pin. And when this cam lays in here and spins around, that little spring pushes on this lever right here. And it went from popping and cracking and not starting, and 4 times of me having the valve cover off, adjusting the valves, checking the timing, everything that I could have done in the possible world, to me going back through our old parts, finding that little spring and that little pin. And I wish I had another one here to show you, but it was the only one that we had because the other ones had aftermarket cams in them. And I put that in, and this is what the result was when Braxton hit the button.
So after about 3 hours of research on blogs and YouTube, I didn't find very much about that little pin. One little spot talked about the decompression, and then I thought, man, I remember looking into that head and seeing that little pin the very first time he ever tore his four-wheeler apart. By luck, I kind of remembered it, and I'm hoping that this video will help somebody else. I always say this, somebody else did it before us, so there's no reason you can't do it yourself. And in this situation, it didn't seem like a lot of people have done it before us, so hopefully this will help others in the future.